Good morning, grades 7 and 8s. It looks like some of you have been missing clowns, so today's lesson will be brought to you courtesy of Clown A. Next, we have today for grade 7s, isometric drawings of cube structures. Yes, I had tried to do this lesson for you before, and as I did this lesson, my phone crashed, so I'm doing it again. So if I took a look at this first cube, here's a cube. We're going to take a look at the cube, and we are going to draw this three-dimensionally similar to the way you see here. If we do that, we are going to take one line and draw a line this way, like so, to make the outer sides of the square, and I'm going to fill in the top. So there is one cube. Some of you are going to find this quite easy, others of you a little bit more challenging, but there is my one cube. If I was to take this and stack it and make two, I have now made it twice as high. So to do that, I extend my height by 1. I'm going to draw this top back on, and the sides, draw this down, and some of you will notice that now these lines here need to be erased so that it looks like this. If I was to add a shape into the back, like this extra cube here, there's my extra cube, I would extend these lines back. So now it's 2 along the bottom, there is the 2, and there's my other piece. I now have this shape. Okay, so this is a reasonably easy thing to do if you follow some rules. So if we take a look at the thing on the back, we have a shape that looks like this, which I've reasonably built with some Lego over here. Notice we need to start with one square. So what I'm going to do is start with one square right here. And as I draw that square, you'll notice that here is my one square, here is my square here. Okay? Then I look and say, okay, this is 1, 2, 3 squares long. So let's make this 3 squares long as well. So here is the 3 squares along the bottom, and I'm going to add in these pieces here. So now I have that row at the bottom, but I also notice that it's 2 wide. So I'm going to come back over here and make it 2 wide, and I could draw this all the way up so that I'd have the full bottom row, much like we do here. There's the full piece. But then you're going to say, well, oh wait, this at the back, it's 1, 2, 3 high. So let's make it 1, 2, 3 high. So we made 1, 2, 3 high. To do that, we need to add in some more lines. And I've done that here. But now we have some extra lines we need to get rid of that are in the back. So I'm going to get rid of that line, and I'm going to get rid of that line. And I've got that piece done. But some of you are going to say now, yes, but we're still missing this piece over here by my finger at the back. So to add that piece in, we know that this piece needs to get, if we look at it, it needs to be 2 high along the back. So I'm going to add this cube right here, and I'll add this piece to the back. If I erase this line, I now have the isometric drawing. Oops, that's got to come out. There we go. There. I now have the isometric drawing of this shape. I have 3 here, I have 2 at the back, and all 6 at the bottom. So grade 7s, you will be working with this today, doing a number of questions. Again, the easiest way to do this is start with a single cube and then start extending your lines based on what you knew. So you knew it was 3 long, so we went 3. You knew it was 2 wide, so we went 2. And then we started stacking vertically. We knew it was 3 high, so we went that way. If you follow those steps, all should be well.